Or we start now or what?
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Okay, let us start. Yesterday, not finished one. Okay, so we go to this section. Okay, so how to create a auto generate invoice number. Okay, so this one is very straightforward. So basically, you just add the auto ID, and then you specify the map, then you can get it. Okay, so let me try do one case for you. Okay, so this one. Okay, quick. Okay, we create one. Then maybe we go using back the first one. Okay, so let's say we put invoice number. Okay, and then you select auto ID, and then you give your format. So in this case, they will put like this one. So you can put like, okay, invoice, okay, and then this one percentage. Okay, let's say you want to put year, and then you after that you starting with the two number. Okay, and then maybe you put like this one percentage for T. Okay, like this. Okay, let's try. Okay, so your invoice number we put on top. Okay, and then we will go to here and then run it. Okay, so this is the auto generate number. Okay, so they will not created after you finish. So you click save. Okay, then you review again. So you get the number. So like this one. The first four is a year, and then the subsequent is a running number. So you can up to 4 digit. Now you only have 1 digit. Must be okay. We took 4 digit, right? Yeah. 4 digit. Or maybe we put like this one. Let me check. Try. Okay, like this one. 40. Okay. Try again. Okay, let's quit again. Save it. It will. Oh, I think should be like this one. Correct. Should be like the percentage 40. 4. Oh, okay. They only have one. Okay, so no D. Percentage 4. Okay, like this one. Percentage 4. Represent 3 digit. Okay, percentage 4. No D. This one. Okay, so like it represent. Okay, and then this one bracket. Okay, like this. Let's try again. Okay. So you will get the 2003 2 and then 3 digit of this one. Right? Okay. Let's say, okay. Sometimes, okay, you need to have a when I select, for example, I want to select let's say, okay, I have a tab. I have tab, and then I have a drop down. Let's say drop down. Where is drop down? Over here. So I got like sales. Okay, sales department. I got IT department. Okay, just for testing. Okay, we create 2 department. So when I select department A, okay, so my invoice number I want to get I want to get the IT 2020 and then starting from 0001. Okay, so when I select sales, right? So I want to have become a sales 20222 and then also 001. So they have a on different running number, right? So sometimes you have this one. Right, okay, this one, okay, I just make it like this one. So in this case, right, you cannot using the auto generate number. So you need to do on with your own formula. So this one, right, okay, we cannot using auto generate number. So what we can do, right, for this case, so we create, okay, maybe we create a order number, for example, order number. So we use a single line and then make it disable, not allow the user to enter anything. Okay, put here. So after that, right, okay, you want to get the number. Okay, so when you select this one first. Okay, you select this one, and then after that you save it, then only you get a value. So what we can do, right? Okay, on before form set. Okay, we create one before form set. So okay, so you put something. If data already tab, if data tab equal to IT, then okay, else if okay data equal to use okay sales sales okay sales okay. So what we can do is now we go to order number that order number equal to year bracket now. So you become 4 digit, and then after that you get the running number. So how to get the running number? Okay, then you need to like reset first. Okay, so you want to get some. Okay, you go to here action wizard. Quick. So you select generate generate running number. This one. So you click this one, and then you just enter anything. We want to get some formula. Okay, so this is formula. Generate running number. So you copy this one. Maybe copy entire thing. Okay, so you go back to your code. Before home set. Okay, this is your code. So you will get like this one. Oh no. Okay, put here generate running number, and then you put specify this one is IT. Maybe you put okay this IT and then you generate running number, and then you put here, and then you put okay you have to path left. So this one first is a 0, and then you put 3 decimal. Is it like this one? Okay, check. Okay, Google search. Okay. Nah. At 0. Yeah. It's a pet left. Pet left. Okay, pet left correct. Okay, pet left. Okay, 0. Okay, correct. So you put a pet flat. Now, okay, so it's number. Pet left is not okay. Pet left string dot like this one. Okay. Number to string to pet left. This one pet left. Okay, so this one is 3 and then 0. Okay. So you do like this one. Okay, after that else, right, you put like this one. and then make sure your order is equal to empty, then only we generate. This one to make sure you don't change the auto number after you edit. Okay, so like this one, you become year and then your paragraph equal to sales. Okay, let's try. Okay, now you save it. Okay, so let's try again. We go to create new order. So first your order number is empty. When I select sales, so when I save it, okay, so you get the order number. This one 001. Okay, we forgot to put the sales number. Okay, sorry, let me go back to your one. Okay, so you put. Okay, and put here, and here, and put here, and this one. Okay, so we save it. Okay, let's do again. So let's say I put sales, so you get 002. Just now we add a 1 already. So you become a 002 year and then 002. So when I create a new again, okay, let's say I choose the sales, so you become 003. So this one you become 003. 003. If let's say I create new for the IT, they will back to 001. IT, so you back to 001. See, right? So this is how we generate with a different format lah. If you're using this one auto generate, there will dynamic auto generate number. So if you want to do a dynamic generate auto number, right? So you need to using the your own formula. This what we can see here. Like this one. Okay. So any question? If no, then we proceed next. Okay. So now, okay, the next is okay, how do we sum up the value? Okay, so let's say now you have one table, and then I want to sum up the total 800 with a different tab. So let's say I want to only get the tab with the foot only. Okay, like this one. So by right, if you sum up everything together, you will get the 1,200. Now I only want to have tab foot 800. So how to do this? Okay, let me do one sample for you. Okay, so let's say we go to what is this? Invoice item. So we go to add a table. Okay, a table. So this one I move it on top. Okay, and then by the way, I will disable all the things was very annoying. Got pop up here. Disable. Okay. Okay, disable. Okay, disable. Okay, disable. Okay lah. Okay lah. Okay. So I have table, then I have, let's say I have what lah? Item. Okay. We got a tab. Okay. Tab is we're using drop down. So put. Okay, so something like this one, and then we got amount. Okay, this is something. Okay, so amount. Amount you're using money lah. Either if you, let's say you have a 4 decimal or you have only 2 decimal, then you can use a decimal lah. So you put 2 decimal. If you don't have decimal, then you can use a number. Okay, now this amount, so we have a total amount. Here we using 2 decimal. Okay, 2 decimal. Okay, so we add total amount, put here, and then make sure it's a read only. Okay, now okay, how to do? Okay, to add, right? So first you need to use a formula. Click here. Okay, and then you go to quick action widget, create an action, and then you use a okay, sum. Now here, table column summation. Click this one, and then you select your table. Your table is invoice item. Okay, to confirm, go there and check. Okay, invoice item. So your total amount. So here you are invoice, and then inside your invoice, okay, you will sum up the total amount, this amount. Okay, this one is the total. Total amount, total amount equal to summation of invoice number plus invoice. Okay, so just press OK. Okay. Okay, so you get the formula like this one. Right? Okay, let's try to save it. Okay, run it. Okay, so we try to run it. Okay, here is invoice. Let's say I put some food. Okay, so 111, so you get 11. Let's say I quit. Okay, here. Okay, so another thing. Okay, so 12. So you get 22. So now it's just a sum up only. If you're using this one, it's sum up. So I want to specify by tab with the food only. So you need to do some formula. This one, okay. So you need to do like something like this one. Just add a control. If data table, okay, this is data table, right? Okay, data table, data row. Okay, we have data row here. If data row, okay, dot I. Now we have a tab equal to, then okay, then only we add, just add a control. Yep. Okay, to put okay. So like this one, tab my foot, right? Okay. Okay, then we save it again. Okay, then run again. So we create a new form. Okay, again. So let's say I select food. Okay, apple. Then I put okay amount 100. Okay, so you get the amount 100, right? So if I select vehicle, okay, a car, then I put 200. Okay, so you won't calculate this one, still 100. So if let's say I add back the food, okay, so 300. Okay, so you will get a 400, right? Okay. So any question? Okay, so basically, right, you can do a lot of things lah. So you can write your own formula, not only like tab lah. So in between you can do times or whatever thing lah that you want. Okay. Okay. Any question on this one? If no, then we will proceed next. Okay, so this one you can refer. Okay, select. Then select this one. Okay, amount, you get a value. Then you do some control like this one. Okay. Okay, so publish. Okay, so this one you're done. Okay, now okay, how to get a checkbox is select if select if a checkbox is selected to a subform, how to get the selected row in a subform table. So when I select, right, I want to get this information. So basically, right, okay, you need select this one using this one. You can do, okay, we can do later. You need to select this one. Okay. Selected item. Yeah. So to prospect. Yeah. Select, click here, then you get the data in there. Okay. When you select this one, table. Okay, select. Then you go add one more thing. Please input. Select drop down. To prospect, select item table. Okay, then check. Okay, so now we do one case. Okay, so which means when I select this one, when and click the select button, then you get the information. So okay, we are refer back to this question, this item. So I have a tab. I have, okay, let it tab one, because this tab already used by on top one. Tab one. And then I put item one. And then I put amount. Amount is a decimal, 2 decimal. Okay, amount like this one. So okay, now what we want to do is when I select, I create new one, new form. So when let's say I have two, okay, vehicle, car. Then I have a, okay, okay. So when I click this one, and then I click the button. So I want this information to populate into my button here. These three items. So okay, how can do? Okay, so first you have one more button. You add one more button, because when you tick this one and then click OK, then you will get that. So okay, we can add one button. Okay, so you can using, okay, populate. Okay, like, okay, maybe we put, okay, so we add a label. Okay, this popular label, and then you move on top, and then right, you can click this one. Okay, no, okay, maybe you do like very simple. Okay, instead of using a label, you can using button. Okay. Okay, so this button. Okay, so this one you put, okay, populate, okay, populate. This one populate. Okay, this one. Okay, save it. Yeah, button name. Okay, so when you click this one, then you get the info on selected item. So okay, now you get this one, populate, right? Okay, you copy this one, populate. After that, then you go to behavior, create new behavior, and then you select conditional action wizard, and then you select Okay, select the event argument, and then you paste this on populate. Click here, click here, and then after that what you want to do? So you want to get the data selected item. So you click this one, and then you get the selected. Okay, so selected is let me check. Get selected. Okay, other step function, and then you select disable set get selected row in subform. This one. Click OK, and then submit. Okay, so you get this formula. So what is your subform field name? Your subform. So let me go back to your form again. So this is my subform field name. Okay. So so then you can select. Okay, so we need to check, make sure. Okay, what is the value display? So it will display the row number. Okay, if you want to check, okay, you just Skype message. Okay, like this one. Check. Okay, save it. Okay, let's try refresh. So when I select this one, populate. Okay, so you get this one like this one. If I select 2, populate. Okay, so you get like this one. So you have get a single quotation, your GUID, and then cross. Okay, like this one. You get like this serial or per set. Okay, so this is a row number. Check out. Okay, how we get this one, right? You can try to go inspect, and then you go to check here. Okay, click here. So you will see. Okay, this is the row number. 97. Yeah, is it 97? 96. Okay. Order number. This one order number is 86. No, this one 86. Where is order number? Okay, let's say we try to search this one. No, okay, so this is the order number, the ID for this one. This one, second one, okay, let's say you second one, okay, SD6. Alert, okay, this is alert. This is key. You can focus this one. So you focus this one, then you get the number there. The tab ID. This is tab ID. Tab ID 9CAA. Okay, so like this one. Okay, now we go. Okay, how we want to get the information from here and then put here. So okay, let me check how they do. Okay, so they do a looping. They get all the data set and then do a looping to find the ID. Okay. So okay, let's say I think for easy for me, I just copy this one. Okay, anything. Okay, so we go to this one. This one. Number pula. This one 70. Okay, so you replace this one. Okay, replace with this one. Okay, and then this is the invoice item, your data, and then your ID compared with your number. So this one, because this one is a serious. Okay, so you need to do like this one. If you select one, okay, currently you only allow select one. So this one, if you have select 2, right, you only can get 1. Okay, one, right, we put here compare. Okay, so if okay, then we put this one is 1 equal to tab. Then item 1, item, and then the last one is the amount. Amount 1 equal to amount. Okay, this one check. Okay, okay. So refresh. Okay, so let's say I select this one, I populate. Okay, don't get any information. Something wrong. Let me check again. Invoice number. Invoice item. Okay.
I think because it's the Boolean it's two.
Huh?
The Boolean.
Oh, the Boolean. This
The
one.
Boolean. The second row.
Second row. This one.
Yeah, that one. The Boolean is two.
Include
It's gonna push the single quote.
single quote. We are.
When they get the ID, they're gonna put single quote first and the last. If you put false, when they get ID.
So this one you get a number. Okay, single quote. Oh, might be escape. Oh, yeah. So you need to equal to pause. Include pause.
Yeah. You use data compare. It cannot compare if they have single quote.
Okay. So if you select 2, right, they only get 1. Because this one popular only 1. Here only 1. So then you need to specify. Okay. Okay. So this is so any question on this one?
Can we check if we can have two? Can we check if like the customer check two record?
Okay, if you want to check two record, then you want to populate two, right? So can you want to put like this one, comma, okay, like this one for example, right? Okay, so you can put like you want like this one, right? Like this one,
Right. Yeah.
This one, Okay. We try. So can be done. Okay. So basically, okay, this one, right? Okay, true or false? Okay, we don't using this one. Okay, never mind. Okay, so instead of you using this one compare, right? We cannot using compare. Okay, we hide it this one.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't okay, this one we still want. Okay, so we do like this one. If this one dot contain your information. Okay, content then okay. If you contain all the link list, then you get information. So if you want to make it static, right? Okay, you put true, okay, and then you put like this one. Make sure it's a correct one. Okay, that's your ID. So first you do like this one. Okay. If this one not equal to MD, then we put some comma. Else MD it. Okay, and then you put like this one. So we copy this one. Yeah, apply. Okay, that's all. Like this one. Okay. Yeah. Where is my code? Content. Okay. If this one content. If this one not equal to. Yeah.
One.
We check. Where is the error? Not this one.
No, you miss one.
This one,
On the content. The last one. Before this.
This one.
Yeah, one more.
Oh yeah, one more. Okay. No. Okay.
You miss comma.
The row text one, this will become row text. Okay. Then you become string. Okay, can. Okay. 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 Let's try. So you refresh. Now if you select one, see, here, inform error. Let me check what's the error. Okay, let's say okay, now you have encountered error, this is error. How you want to check the issue, right? So first you need to go to the server. This one I got you. Okay, how to check error?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, you go back to the, okay, you go here and find N5, and then go to explore. Okay, so you go to your path, right? Okay, you check the log. So you have a log, right? You double click and see. Okay, so you have a log. Okay, if let's say you can't see the log, right? They have no any log, right? So then you go to unlock this unlock config, right? You double click and then make sure this one is enable. Okay, now it's disabled, right? Okay, so you can't see anything. You can look back. Okay, let me check. I look back to your unlock. Your unlock. I think this one is not updated. You can see it's a 2011 20. So this one is not updated. Okay, so we make sure you change to tools. This one change to tools. So you save it. Okay, then we try again. Now it's empty. Okay. So we try do again. You click again. So you popular error again. So you copy this one. Okay, and then go to your app server. Now error log. Because you got a serial, you can control. Okay, search here. So the error is here. Now you can see. Okay, what's error? So okay. Now the error is conversion. Okay, this one to double is not valid. Conversion, this one is not valid. Okay, so we go back to the code again. Why conversion this is not valid? Amount one. Okay, let me check. Yeah. This one is decimal amount. Okay. And then this one also amount. And then okay, so this amount. Okay, and then we check here. Okay, so you don't do a get test, Don't use a get test. Oh, because you do comma. Okay, so this one cannot become a decimal. So this one it must be a single line because you have a comma. Okay, so
it's number.
It'll be a number. So we go back to the form again, and then you select this one. Okay, this one cannot be a number. You have, okay, like this one. Okay, let's try. Click here. Okay, empty. Okay, let's. I think I haven't finished it. Okay. So you do like this one. First, make sure it's empty before you call. Then this one is equal to empty. Empty. Okay. So when you click here, then you get like this one. When you select second, okay. What this problem. So the second one. When you select content, you content. The second one, you content the ID. Okay? So you get the. Okay. So when you do debug, you can use a Skype or display message. Okay, then you put like this one. Okay, so this one, right, we do a compare. So this one, right, okay, we compare with this one item. And then we bracket with. So for I equal 1, okay. If not equal to then we add one more. Boleh lah. So we select double, we get. So we get 2, 0, get 0. No bracket lah. But the one you didn't get. Okay, okay. Maybe we remove this one. This one, content, string. Oh, sorry, because you write S4. You need to remove S4. Okay. So you select.
You have to put plus.
You need to put this one. Sorry, you need to put one more thing.
Content.
So this one. We add together. Okay, like this one. Okay. Okay, now. Now. Okay. So when you select one, then you get one. You select one, okay, you get one. If you select both, you get both. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then we move the next. Okay, this one settle. Okay. Select. Okay, so you can get I think ready. Okay. How to? You can also okay. Now this one you have a chatbot So you want to let's say I double click. I want to populate data to your item. How to change the subform row click behavior? Change. Okay. Yeah, correct. So when you instead of you click the select button, you want to go to this form. When I click this one, so I want to populate the information to here. Right now, when you click this one, right, if you click here, you go to edit, right? So now I don't want to go to edit. Let's say I don't want to go to edit. So I click. I want to do some action. Any action For example, I want to get information to the button. Okay. So okay, how we can do it? Okay, then you can go like this one. Okay, quick action wizard, quick action. Then you go to other script, and then you select set a custom role quick JavaScript or UI up to you. Okay, I think same. Okay, select this one. Okay. So you get the information like this one. Right. Okay, then you put your field name. Okay, this table field. Okay, this is your table field, right? Okay, so what is action? Okay, let's say we try to do some sample. For those, okay, we want to do some debug, right? Normally you can do like this one. Okay, copy. Okay, so you put alert lah. Alert. Okay, so what we want to see this one. This is more standard. Okay. Okay, so this one save it. Allow code. Okay. So you refresh. So when I click, you get the number. See, click, you get a number. So okay, now you want to populate the data to this one, this 3 value. So when I click, I want to populate the data to on button. So okay, now we go back to your code. This one, instead of populate, then you do postback. Do postback, okay, and then you put like something like okay, populate underscore. Okay, same like above. Okay. Populate, okay. And then after that, right? Okay, you save it. So you can copy this code. Copy. Copy this code. So you populate, okay. So okay, so we go back to your on form. Okay, we put button. Okay, now this time, right? Okay, your event argument is not populate. So your event argument will be populate underscore plus something. So you cannot do like this one. This one you will not accept. So you need to put like this. If nothing, then and then right, okay. If dot to string dot content, and then when we underscore, okay, and only we do. So okay, this one right, okay, this one we skip. This one is not for. Okay, this one we skip. So okay, after that, right, then you get the ID. So how to get the ID? DIM. Okay, you do the some. Okay, so here is a splitter. So you put okay ARR data plus array equal to event argument to string split. Okay, and then you put underscore. Okay, now this one. So you become 02 lor. So and then your item, okay, DIM, key, key a string equal to ARR and then 1. Right? Okay, so this one 1, right? Okay, this is your key. So we will this one you hide it. Okay, you do okay this one, right? Okay, like this one. I think should be okay lah. Your key, if your key content can because you only have one key. Okay, content. Okay. Okay, finish. Save it. Ayuk. DR. Where is the DR? Oh yeah, DR. Let me copy something. DR. DR. This one, subsum. Okay. DR, this one. Okay. Okay, so refresh. Okay, so when I click, no action. Okay, something wrong. Check the error. Okay, make sure whether they have called this one or not. Okay. Start. Make sure is it called or not. Not calling. Okay, refresh. Check first. Populate. This one correct. Populate underscore. Popular underscore. Popular underscore. Why they didn't trigger? Popular underscore. Oh yeah. Okay. No, it's nothing now. Let me check. Confirm. Okay. Undefined. 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 Start the event argument.
There is something wrong with the script. To do post back on the top.
On top.
Yeah,
Well,
you have to put one more parameter, right? The first one. To do post back. I think they have 2 parameters.
2 parameter. Oh yeah, 2 prospect. Okay, so like this one, comma. Okay, something like this one. Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah. 2 parameter. Okay. Okay, then click. Yeah, correct. So you have 2 parameter. Yeah. Okay. So okay, these 2 prospect have 2 parameter. Okay, so this one okay. Okay. Something like this one. Okay. Okay. 2 prospect, 2 parameter. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this one you select, then you click here, then you get a value. Okay, some behavior, quick behavior action, other scrap. You select, okay, remove column. Okay, now you want to remove column. Okay, remove column, I think it's pretty easy. So let's say I have a three, right? I want to remove amount. For example, I want to remove amount. I don't want to let the user see the amount. So for some of the condition, so you can go to behavior, quick action wizard, quick action. So you click other scrap, remove column. Okay, remove column. Okay. So you remove. Okay, this one is like this one, and then column field is amount. So save it. So you refresh. So you remove the column. Okay. So this one, I think very straightforward. Okay. Other scrap, remove column. Okay. So you can remove. Okay. So run remove query. Okay. How to approve a bubble from the form? Approve the bubble. How to? Okay. Now, okay. Let's say you have a workflow, right? You have workflow when you do submit. Right. Okay. So you have this button. Okay. You go here. You have. Okay, so you have this button, approval button. So now, okay, I don't want to use this approval button. I want to have my own approval button here. Okay, we don't use this approval. So you also can remove this button. You know how to remove this one? So if you want to remove, right? You go to team. Okay, and then you go to your Moji team, and then go to master. So in this body, right, you got a workflow the workflow button, workflow button list here. So if you don't want, right? Let's say I don't want, right? I just change something one. So make sure that, or maybe you just remove it. Remove it. Remove it. Okay.
Comment it.
Okay. Yeah. So can you wouldn't see the workflow button?
Yeah.
You don't see workflow button. Right. Okay. Okay. So let's say you don't want workflow button. Okay, where is the workflow? On top here, right? Okay, so here lah. Hold it lah. Okay, so you want to remove. Okay, so I want to do your own approval button. So how to do it? Okay, then you check the code. So you select approve multi request. Then you get the approval button. Okay, so now let me try one case. So this one, right, I want to approve. Okay, so I create my own custom approval button. Approve button. Okay. Okay, so let's say you want to put the okay, you also can click here, add button. So your formula, how to get a formula? Okay, you click. Okay. So this is reject button. Okay, reject button. So if you want to make it standard type, okay, button list reject is the danger. Danger, okay, reject. Button reject button. Okay. So you approve. Okay, approve is we add the additional CSS. Control button success. Okay, let's check process. Okay. Change. Okay, so you have button, click. Okay, so now no action. Okay, you check. Okay, comment, see, approve, reject. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So now next is you write a code. Write a code. Click here. Click here. So action wizard, create action, other scrap. So you select approve multiple requests. Click OK. Click OK. So you get the information here. Comma the semi record approval. Okay. So you need to get the info. So for these cases, action. Okay, let's say you click the. Okay, let me copy. You go to click something. Event argument. Okay, approve. Okay, click. Okay, if you approve, then you do anything. Okay, do like this one. So okay, your record ID. Now this one is your primary key. Okay, then you do like this one. Okay, so you comma, then you put like this one. Dot primary ID. ID or key. Okay. So if you're not sure, okay, then we try. Okay, copy first. Okay. Action method. Click here. You get primary ID. Okay, here you got primary ID. Now get a primary key. Click here. Click here. So it's a primary ID. See, primary ID. Okay, so primary ID. So node to approve. Okay, this one right, node right is refer back to your which node. So you need to go to your form. Okay, edit form. Okay, view. Okay, so your node is this one. Your node, you double click. This is your node. Node ID. Okay, node ID to be approved. Okay, it's a GUID. Where to get a GUID? Node. GUID is refer back to row ID. Okay, and then this one. Okay, this ID. Okay, we are how to get the dimension. Okay, the dimension. So we get from here ID. So this one is the ID, record ID, and then action approve. Okay, comment. Okay, approve. Okay, remark. Remark you can put, okay, or you put somewhere to let them to user to enter lah. But so what? Okay, for testing we put testing 2, 3. Okay, this one must approve. Same like reject lah. You have reject. Okay. It's a reject. Okay. Okay, let's try. So you could proof. No action. Reject. Okay, make sure let's check also whether have call go to this one or not. Okay, access. So after finish, then you need to do something. Successful. So so have call. They have call. See the bubble is not updated. Okay, call is not updated. No ID to prove. No idea. Is it this one? No idea. Try to put no ID. Okay. Okay, they already approved. Okay, let's say we try again. Let's say I try to save it. Okay. So let me try it. Okay, so you get this record. Get this record. So your approval is so let's say I click approve. Okay, successful. You refresh. Now, so you get there. That's it. Been approved already. So this record already been approved. So you can do redirect lah. After approve, you redirect to somewhere else. Okay. Already approve. Okay, reject. So this
So
one,
if
okay.
how can redirect back to the default of the Moji5?
You can do like this one, scrap. Okay, you can refer back to this one. Action wizard, quick action. Okay, redirect. You can use this one. Redirect. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so you get the code. Now this one, scrap dot redirect. So
I need like the default one. Normally, if you approve, it's gonna
default
redirect
log
back
page.
something on.
Okay, so you want to go back to this page. You copy the URL. Okay, let's say like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one reject. Reject. Okay, then we do redirect lah. Then you don't need to show any messages. Okay, so let's try one more case.
So because it's normally if you approve, it's gonna put like some sign or the.
Huh?
Normally in the Moji5, if you approve, you have to put like some side picture or something.
Some size.
Sign. Signature.
Oh, signature. Oh, okay. So you want to put some signature? Okay, can. You can do like this one. No
Because
problem.
the default one.
You can have a signature. Signature.
We have to optimize signature too. Right?
So you can put your on. Yeah. You put a signature on top here. Yeah. Hey, where's my signature? Okay, you go. Okay, like this one. No, great. So okay, you need to hide first. These two you need to hide first. Okay, when you submit. Okay, then only when you do approval, then you display. Okay, so when you edit, okay, make sure, okay, when you come to edit, so you can sign. Something sign. Okay, then only you do reject. So you reject.
It's the same. If I have to reject, we have to put like some comment.
Yeah, you can put a remark.
In default, that means if we use like the dynamic, my own approve button, I have to
Reject remark.
or reject remark as well, right?
Yeah, you can control yourself. So it's up to you. You can control. You can do approve more than one. Now you only approve one case. You can do like one set of form, one set of list. Okay, using table. So this is all the approval list. Like your table. Okay, maybe you can do it again. Approval list. So you put a table.
Wow.
So okay, approval list, right? Then you like something like your record number, and then your approval approve. Okay. Okay, something like just a record number lah. So okay, so you have a proof remote. Okay, then this one. Okay, for example, okay, you can do like this one. So you can select. Okay, let's say you click something, you add some your invoice number. Okay, not necessarily add like this one lah. You can retrieve lah using the SQL to retrieve all the set of data. Then you can tick. Okay, then you click approve. Then you approve all. You understand what I mean? So this one, right? Okay, you got all the approval list. You have an approval list, a lot of lists, right? So you can select which one, then you do approve one shot or reject one shot. When you click approve, then you approve all. So this is like something like approve in the one shot.
It's supposed to be like another form, right? And then
yeah.
use this form to
not this form. You must go to another form to approve this form. Yeah, not this form. You have another form. Okay, for example, you have a second form lah. You approve all the first form list.
And
okay.
then approve the second form as well, right?
Yeah. So this one.
Next thing, how can I hide and show the template form, the template button, the approve and reject?
This two
at the top.
This one.
On the top.
Huh?
This one is I'm okay. I mean in the workflow, we have edit, we have approve and reject, right? If I want to hide only approve and reject.
Okay.
Yeah, the master button. Can I remove it or something
This
or
two.
hide? No, the master one. Can you create the record first?
This one.
Yeah.
You want to remove
It's
these two?
In case like I want to force the customer to edit only, I just like have to hide the approve and reject on the first form and let the customer only click the edit.
Okay, so you click the edit. After that, then you do any other action or any edit button.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but the first process, I need him to only put edit. Only can press
after finish edit, then they can do approve or reject.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can do like
the first
they got
I
a lot
need
of
to
methods
hide
to
the
do.
approve and reject, right?
There are a lot of methods to do. Okay, one of the easy method, right? You use a JavaScript to hide it. Okay, how to hide it, right? So you can do like that. Okay, this one is something customized. If let's say you want to do some special, okay, you go to check here. Okay. Okay, so this edit. Okay, this approve. Okay, approve. Your ID will be.
I don't have any ID.
Okay, wait. Let me check. Don't bother. Wait. I got her. Is my code. Remove. I think I got remove approval button. Delete. Hide the file button. Hide display. Where is my code? Hide the workflow button. Okay, so you copy this code. Okay. Hide the workflow. Okay. So this one, right? You go edit. This one action wizard creation. So you go to register startup. Okay, so you paste here. Okay. Oh, this already. Okay, already done. Okay, so you just put approve, PPROVE, approve, and then reject. Okay. So you just call this one. Alright, okay. So okay, submit. Yeah. Okay. So let's say try this. Hey, is it this form?
No ED. Approve, only approve and reject.
Approve and reject, no ED. Approve or reject.
Oh, it's correct.
Wait, let me check confirm. Table approve.
It is table.
Oh,
I think
this
it's
one.
DAV, right?
Oh, we already changed to DAB. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This one should be DAB. DAB. Okay.
And
Table.
it's DAV and inside is it also spend inside.
Okay, later I will give you a different. I think last time we are using table. Now we change to DIV. So this one I need to so basically you can use a JavaScript to hide it.
Yeah.
You can hide it. Okay. DIV action bar. I think this one cannot use anymore. Use jQuery lah. jQuery.
Normally, if I put the JavaScript like this, and
You
can
can
I
do.
write down the jQuery?
Yeah, you can do. Okay, for example, right, this one, right? I want to here don't have any idea. Okay, you want to hide this one. Let's say I want to hide this one. The IB with class with approval name. Okay, this one, right? So they don't have idea. No ID. So how to do this one? Class. Guess. Okay, later I will tell.
The JavaScript. Yeah.
So you don't use a JavaScript, right? You can do a JavaScript lah. You need to do like something ID within this island, the first, second, third char, fourth char, you hide it lah. Using JavaScript to hide it. Using JavaScript. This one is the last time we using table. Now we already change to DIV. So this one cannot work.
Yeah. You have to get all the DIV like the same method.
Yeah.
Get all the DIV, they get item inside to check.
Yeah. You can try lah. Okay, you can try lah. Okay, later. Or you maybe you can do another way.
Do you have another way? Yeah.
Another way using JavaScript to hide it. Okay. Using JavaScript to hide it. You don't allow to prove. Yeah. Okay, my approval. My approval note. Let me check first. Okay, no people from set. Okay, so this one also make sure. No. This one people from set. Okay. So
No, I think before save is a rerun after you click edit.
Okay. Cannot. This one.
The button.
Okay.
The
You can do redirect. Okay, so okay. Now, okay, you can do one case. So when you click this one, right? When you click this one, so okay, you go to action screen, right? So if you want to make sure you want to do some approval with some condition, right? So you need to redirect. You straight away to redirect to this one, fill form.
Oh.
Fill form to redirect. So you don't allow them to click. When you click this one, okay, click this one, right? You check, okay, after some condition, you don't go here, you redirect again, redirect to with this one. Okay, maybe I show you one cases. Okay, maybe if something data, for example lah, tab is empty, then you do redirect lah. Redirect. This one you need to pass a parameter lah. This one you need to, this is the parameter. And then right, okay, maybe, and then you put a so not this one. Okay, maybe you okay lah. This one is what lah? Request UI obsolete. Is it like this one? Don't get request. How do you get? You find there's something keyword. HTTP content is what lah? System. Yeah. System.web. Okay, system.web. System.web. Okay. Okay. So you need to make sure that, and okay. And this one is equal to the contains action screen, SPS, something like this one, SPS. Then you do redirect. Okay. So we click here, we click this one. So they should go to fill form. Is something not correct. So okay, so basically something like this one. So you can do something like this one. If this one and then access screen, then you do redirect. This one no, we don't. Yeah. Okay lah.
I know what you mean. Let me think.
Moji5, where to go? Okay. So, which means you redirect straight away from here to the fill form.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So I think you have to dynamic the ID as well.
yeah, you need to find up lah, all this information lah. So you can do redirect lah. So when you click, then you get the actual message, or you can get all these parameter ma. So you can passing lah. Okay, this action when you edit. Okay, so this is your parameter. So you got ID, all this thing when you edit. So you got some information. So make sure you passing the parameter lah. Okay. So when you click, if let's say under some condition, then you do redirect lah. Okay. Okay. So click. Okay. So any question?
I have some question about the inbox.
Inbox, okay.
Can we optimize this table?
Okay, we complete.
I'm not sure we can do it. Because that one is like the master, right? The template.
Box. Submission. Form submission. Okay, so this is a form submission column. So okay, start that submission number. Yeah. Start that. Okay, my submission. Start that submission. Okay, this is submission.
In the task, my task.
This one is a task column. Receipt submission. Okay, task column. Receipt submission task. Okay, so you want to change. Let's say I want to remove this one. Receipt lah. For example lah. I want to remove receipt. Okay, this one remove receipt. Okay, this one.
So we're gonna remove all, right?
You don't want this one. Okay, let's say I want. Receipt still got lah.
You said.
Receipt. I got few more. Receipt. Got test this one. Where is my form? Receipt.
Yeah, the first one, the second one you comment it.
Correct. But this one I got test on 22. Test 22. Test 22. Let me check. No same.
No.
No same like this one. This one I will comment it. Like task on. Task. Test. Let's say I remove. Let's try. Okay, cannot remove. Okay, let me try this one. This one also. Let me try my submission column. Submission column. Started. Okay, I think cannot. So cannot change. Okay, so this one cannot change, alright? Which means okay, if you want to do something like this one, then you need to do a customize. So customize means right, you need to write your own form, and then you build a own subtable, and then you put all information there.
Uh-huh.
So this one you need to customize. You cannot do. If you want to change my task, right, then you need to do a customize lah. Customize. You cannot using this one. You need to create your own form. Okay.
Yeah. How can like we have to customize, like get the data from the task or something?
Yes, yeah. So they have some query. Let me check out query SQL. Okay, so this one, this is SQL. Yeah. Oh, put in inside here lah. Put here lah. So you can refer back to this one. This is the SQL to retrieve the inbox. My task, my inbox.
New inbox. Receive submission.
This is submission task subject. So you can refer back my query lah. Okay, so you want to customize, then you do your own. Okay.
So normally the number, the inbox item is like they have ID reference to the item, right?
Basically, you can change this submission. This one is this is standard.
I know.
You can change
like
formula. You can change that. You don't want to using this submission number, right? You want to using your own submission number, right? You can change. So how we change? Okay, I do one sample for you. Okay, let's say lah. I create one account, one workflow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say I want to copy my first okay, copy already. So this one I want to change let me think. Okay. Now, so my let me think. Now, okay, my subject, my submission number. So you can do like this one. Let's say I want to change. Okay, my submission. Hello world. Okay. Say lah, I put one more case. Okay, this one. Okay. This one. So I want to pass this one to the workflow. Wait, this one. So many already. My title. Where is my? Okay, my title is okay. This one, right? Let me check. Symbol. Okay. No. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one.
Blanket.
Okay, so we have like, you using this one. Okay. So okay, let's say I want to using if you're using system ID, you need using this one and percentage system ID. If you use your, you need to use form object like this one object. Okay, so this formula. So you put like this one. Title. Okay. So my form number. Okay, let's say I put form number lah. Not this one. Not this one. My number. Okay, so number lah. You can do your own running number lah. So for this case, I just for testing lah. Okay, number, running number lah. Okay, phone number. Then this one is my phone number. Let's see if I okay. This one. Okay, try first. Not sure whether it's okay. So publish. Okay, let's try. Pro. So testing 1, 2, 3. Performance 001. Okay. You can see?
Yeah, it's a number.
Number.
They cannot have
You can
a zero and a font.
001 because I have put number ma, you can put string. Okay,
Yeah.
we try. Okay, we can try. Okay, let's say because I put number. Okay, you put single line lah. Put single line. You can put single line. Okay, we try again. Try again. Okay. So now testing. Okay. To additional. Okay. See. So we can change your submission number. We will change refer back to your own submission number. Not necessarily follow the standard. This is a standard crossover all the before all the Moji5 form. So if you want to using your own submission number, then you need to go to your bubble and change it.
Yeah.
So this one also you can change. This one also you can change. Okay. Now you can change. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we go to the next.
So go back to the document.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. Then this one. Okay. Okay. How to show a slide down arrow pop up? What is this? A slide down action wizard, and then other scrap. This is this one is you put an alert. So this one I think I don't show you lah. So you know you understand, right? You can use a register startup to call a JavaScript. Okay. So this one is something like this one. Maybe show you one very fast. So you can call
just alert or something. Just one thing.
Yeah. So you can call a JavaScript. Click here, action wizard, run any JavaScript. You want to hide the button, also you can do this one. Run a JavaScript. Okay, this one. This one, register startup. Okay. So you can put alert or you run a JavaScript, any JavaScript lah, or jQuery. Okay, so this one. Can you go to the Subform? So you come hello. This pop up lah. Okay, so this one is very straightforward. Okay, then solution. Okay, publish my click. Okay, no, okay, send an email. Okay, send email. We have a few methods. First, okay, you can use a behavior to call this one. Okay, other scrap. And then you do a create email. You send email. Okay. Then we have a few methods. Okay. First, okay, you just go here, click here, and then you go to let's say you want to send email. Action wizard, create an action, and then you select other scrap. select send email. Send email. Okay, create an email. So this one, okay, then you send the email, right? Or okay, if you're using workflow, right? Workflow. Inside the workflow, right? You can do like, ready? Create a new version. Okay, so you can using this send email. Send email. So this one you will send email also. Yeah. Double click. Okay, then you put your content, all these things. You can send. Or okay, you want to using standard. Okay, when you do approve, right, they'll automatically send a notification. So you double click. It's inside here also. Inside the bubble. Okay, this one. Okay, this bubble, right? Double click. Then you here also can send. Okay, send notification email. If you put yes, right, so they will refer back to this one. Standard action notification. This one. So they will refer back to a standard action request email template, which is inside here. Email template. Okay, here. Standard. Okay, standard email template. Standard email. Standard action request. Okay. Lah. This standard. You can amend or you can create create your own standard. Like for example, these are CMB, right? They want to create their own template. So they can create this their own template. On this SMS. Okay, now this on they can create they can create on template. Not necessarily you need to follow. You can do a on template. Up to you to decide. Right? So here is the template. Send email, refer that back to this template. Okay. Okay, this one I think nothing to show lah. Just send email. So check email. Okay. So okay, how to do a troubleshooting, right? So after you send email, right, system will have a log in here. Go to outgoing email queue. So this is the email template. Okay. All this one is not sending. The reason because maybe okay the email is not valid or the email service is not running. Okay, how to check whether the email service is running or not, right? You need to go to app server. Okay, you go to app server, right? And then go to the service. Go to the service. Where is my service? Service. Okay. So you look at the Tsukami. Okay. So you have Tsukami email service. Make sure it's running. Okay. Now this okay. You want to check. Okay. Now this one is our Moji5 Tsukami portal. Moji5 Tsukami portal. Say Moji5. Okay. Check. This one is not under. This one is not under Moji public. No. So okay, basically okay, this is all the email lah. If you're not running, then you just enable it and run it lah. You can look at here. Okay, so currently because this one is for us for testing, that's why we don't run it. So you can't run the email. So if you can see the I mean for testing that environment, right? You can see the record in here, right? Which is send. This one is for testing. Okay, you can click and then you see. This is the overall. Right. Okay. This is the email template. So move it. Okay. Okay. Email you check in the queue. Right. You look on the email template. Say. Okay.
Inside the email queue, right?
Yeah. So email is first come first serve. So whatever email right you send right here you have a record. Okay. In the database, if you want to check in the database, it's a outgoing email. It's an outgoing email. Select. Okay. Outgoing mails. Okay, just now we deleted already, so you can see the record lah. So this is a record lah. Maybe we check. We try to check another record notification. We check the PG. Something like this one. So you can see lah. Okay, this template layout lah. If send right, the send is equal to 1. Now is this one all no send, no send. Okay. So next, this one finish. Okay. Once okay, workflow. Okay, aside evaluate dynamic. So this one nothing much. Okay. Okay. So basically, right, in the workflow, right, you can do a custom bubble. Okay. So this bubble, okay, and then you can write a code. You can escape. Okay, you can write any code to do some action. This one is for checking. If you want to do something like check the log, you can write your own log lah. Put to somewhere else. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, this one I no need to show you lah. This one nothing. Okay, so you can set a target, then you can see the log. Okay, the workflow create a violation on the form of each different tab of the workflow. So this one is a rule proof. Okay, are you all familiar in lab before last time? Lab before. So I think.
So Alan, can you demonstrate?
Okay.
The code.
Okay. So okay. Now let's say I want to do something. Okay, we take this one. From a workflow binding, allow you to create a violation on the form for each different tab in the workflow. Suppose the CFO has requested that you include bank account number field for your employee form. The required workflow is to have a submission sent to the finance club before having it forwarded to the CFO. However, the CFO does not wish for the employee bank account number to be visible to the finance club. So, okay, this one means you have some of the field in the form. So the user enter this bank account number. When you submit to the financial club, this bank account number will be visible, invisible, cannot see it. So this bank account number only can see in the CFO. To be visible, does not wish my employee to be visible. So okay. So now you have two form, two user rule. So your form, okay, you have two. Okay, let me show you. Okay, how to do this one. Okay, I create a form. Okay, maybe workflow 2. So I got one more thing number. Okay, single line. Okay, and then I got amount lah, for example, amount. Okay, like this two field enough lah. So I create workflow. So I have two bubble. Okay. Two bubble. Okay, so first bubble I will put. Okay, I will set. Okay, first bubble I put let's say HR admin lah. Okay, I assume HR admin. This is HR admin. HR admin. So second is CFO. Okay, CFO. Okay. CFO. Okay. This one. Okay. We don't do any approve reject lah. So we just make sure over first. Okay. So now we go to rule. HR admin. We assign LNC. LNC is HR admin. LNC. CFO. Also LNC. Okay, I change CFO to fun. Okay, fun. Okay. Username fun. Okay, CFO is fun. So and then after that I reset the fun password. UN fun. Okay, so I set the password to admin123. So CFO. Okay, set. Okay, now we go to this one is permission. Everybody. Okay, can. Then my second workflow, enable it. Everyone, okay. So my first user, okay, fun. Okay, the HR admin, they cannot see the bank account number. Okay, so I think by default we allow to enter. After that, when come to the approval, my HR, okay, I don't want to let them to see my approval. Okay, my bank account, I don't want to let them to see. False. Okay. Okay, and then right, I want to let don't else if this one bubble is what lah? This one bubble is what? So CSO, okay. So this one is equal to true. Okay. Let's say, okay, now we go to data entry. Okay, first data entry that we see. Okay, let me go to workflow. So the first, you can see enter mark. So I enter ABC, ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay, so amount 100. Okay, so I submit. Okay, the first approval is LNC. Okay, when I go here, right, I click this one. Okay, this is HR. I'm the HR admin. So I click, right? I can't see it. You can see, I can't see the account number. Edit, I can't see account number. So I just okay, I just approve. Okay. So now after that, right? Okay. I go back to okay. So after that, I know more already. Okay. This one finish. Okay. So now they move to the okay fun. So I'll log out. And have you end fund admin 123. So you got one approval. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I got one approval CFO. And click, so I can see the bank account number, right? So to approve. This is okay. This one only. Okay, done. Okay, so this one already done. So this one visible yes or no. Okay, how to update the flag from through the metadata inside the workflow bubble. Okay, this one I think already teach you. Okay, approve reject. This one click the arrow. Yeah, you double click the arrow and then you select approve reject. Order go to okay. So this one also can. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, so you can do like this one. Yeah, I need to using my agency. So my workflow. Okay, click here. Okay, so if you want to go admin, okay, you can go look like this one. Actually, okay, workflow, right? You can do like this one. You can do legend, okay, and then you can add the arrow. So let's say I want to, no, the first one, okay, this one, this one, right? Okay, so this one, right? Okay, I want to put like approve, okay. So you want to put in cross to a source, okay, like this one. Or you want to put more. You want to put more. Okay, so any limit. Okay, you press any limit, put middle or put at the cost. Up to you. You can put maximum 3 in the arrow, and then you can do like something like you want to put okay, like you want to do like this one, or you want to make it longer. Using curve. Okay, up to you lah. You want to change color. You can do. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, and then this one, right? You can do like this. You want to circle this one. Okay, you want to copy. Okay, control paste. Okay, you can do like this one. You can do a lot of things. This one. Okay. Okay, after this one, right? Okay, let's say you want to make. Sometimes you got. It's very complicated. It's not nice. You can do this one. You click, they will auto change for you. This is a more click here, the auto automate more proper. Right, okay. And then this one you can click edit. Okay, you can double click. You double click also can go. Either you can this one you can go here click edit or you double click. Arrow also same, you can double click. But arrow, right? Sometimes you really have to double click. Because the arrow is too short, then you go button. You click edit lah. It's same also. You can click edit, right? Okay. So here, if let's say you don't put anything, right? They will mention user bubble HRMA still not complete because this one you're not complete. You need to specify at least one. Then you save it, and then you click the set. Okay, now form set no issue lah. Okay. Any issue on the workflow? Workflow, I think very straightforward. Here, go here. Okay. So, okay, if you want to change the data, right? Okay. Inside our form behavior, we are using the data. If you inside the workflow, right? If you want to edit, right? You can do, okay, workflow, you need to using metadata. Your tab, okay, for example, tab equal to anything. So in the form behavior, we are using data. In workflow, we are using metadata. This is different compared with the form. So whenever you want to change, you do a different. Okay. You can do the metadata. Yeah.
Yeah, then can we connect the database like a run SQL dynamic string?
Oh, can. You can do like this one. Okay. You can do like
because in the property don't have any wizard to do.
You can do like this one. Okay. For example, right? Okay. You want to run so you want to put run SQL something like. Okay. You want to get a code. Okay. Run dynamic SQL. Okay. So you want to put okay, so let's say you want to put run dynamic SQL, you can do like this one. Okay, make sure you use this SQL code SQL code, double click, and you can put your code here. Update user set blah blah blah. Write your code here or you can use run dynamic SQL return return. Something like so you do like this one. You can do like this one. TS data. Select something Select something from something. You can do like this one also. No problem. So whenever you want to do some SQL, something like SQL, right? You can do like this one. This one is still working. This one working.
So because like in the rabbit form we have like in the behavior we use the SQL running dynamic SQL, right? But in the workflow we use only dynamic SQL, not the run. The wording is different in rabbit form, and in the modify you already fixed, right?
Yeah. This one, right? I think in Moji5 have some optimized. You still can using the old one, the running SQL return, right? Run SQL return.
It's like run dynamic SQL and dynamic SQL only, right?
Okay, let me check.
I think it's like it's different in the rabbit form, but I think it modify and you clarify.
I think also same. Okay, you can apply also. Okay, in workflow you can like this one, right? Run SQL return.
Yeah, like that. I think it's like it's different, but
This one,
you
right?
already fix it, right?
This one, right? Okay, I think this one also support. I think the latest also support.
Both.
Both also can working. Both also working. This one also working. This one working. You can. I think. Okay. You can try lah. I think this one both also working one. Okay. So this one setter. SQL update pending. Okay, this one I think very straightforward. Define reject. Okay, approve. I think this one I already let you know, right? You can do like approve or reject. So this one, right? You need to do like something like this one. If your error, right? You want to do approve. Click. So you click here. Click the wizard, and then if let's say you want to disapprove, click here and then approve. So you get this one approve. Then only this approve will go to this CFO. This error with only for the user click approve. Okay, but okay, you also can do like this one. You want to do a customer approval, customer button. by default you have a this approve or reject button. So I want to change. Okay, I want to change my own button. Let's say I want to change. Okay, ABC. Up to you lah. Or you okay? Up to you. ABC. Then you want to which button? Let's say I want to this button. This button. Okay. So okay. Okay, and then I create another one. DEF. I want to this button. So okay, you want to require signature or require remark? Up to you. Okay, you know. Okay, then we. So you become have two different button. Okay, maybe we can try. This is a HR approval, right? Okay, HR approval. Okay. So you have two button. Custom code is not okay. This one. We don't SQ here lah. This one is just for testing. Okay. Save it. Okay. 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 Right. When you do okay SQ. This one is second bubble. Second bubble. Okay. Second bubble. Okay. When you submit. Okay. This one is 11. No, not now. Okay. Now this is now. Yeah, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. You have changed. Okay, here, right, all the other bubble, right, because we are using super admin can view all the thing. If you're using the like fun, right, okay, they only have a certain button. Not all the button will appear. Only super admin can view all this button. Maybe okay for normal user, you only can view this one, this three. This one cannot view. Maybe this one can. This one can. This one cannot. This one cannot. This one can. Cannot. This one all is configured. Is configured inside here. Okay. So second move. Configure. Yeah, allow this one is allow change is edit, allows pause of message is a pause of message, reassign if you this one untick, right, you won't see so much of button. Edit this one if you don't want to let the user to click edit, right, you can untick this one. Untick this one. Allow pause also can untick. Allow pause of message. Pause of message is this one. Pause of message is this one. And then okay, allow reassignment of task. Reassign is this. Reassign this one. Allow request review. Allow request review is review this one. Something like this one or this one. So you can untick lah. You can untick lah. If you untick, then you can't see so much. So much a button. For super admin, I think this one is a super admin. This two is super admin. Super admin can see this two. The rest of people cannot see this two button. Okay. Okay. So okay, this one right is a duration. Duration. Okay. So if let's say you put 0 mean infinity, which means okay they have some expiry. How to check the expiry? Okay, you can do like this one. Now when you have come here, you can see the expiry date 5112. So let's say you want to check expiry, right? You click this one. You want to control lah. If the user haven't approved within the expiry date, right? You need to do some escalation. You need to do some escalation. So you can do like this one. Click here, and then right. Okay, this one right. You this one. You write the bubble. Come here, And then this one, right? You go to the edit. Okay, before you do, you can do like something here. You write some escalate, and then right, you go to edit, right? So click here, and then you go wizard, and then you select HR admin, and then okay, here click check the deadline if expired. Okay, so if expired, right, they will run this arrow. So when the bubble, this record has been expired, so they will escalate to another user to run it. Okay. Okay, so this one approve, reject, wizard, approve. Okay, nothing much. Okay, so approve, reject, choose, approve, reject. So you submit, struct. This one already done, cover already. View. Okay, so this one, right? Okay, I think one more to go lah. You want to change the template in the row. Okay, so let's say I want to change so we copy the code. Can copy it? Yeah, no code can copy. Yeah, I want to copy this one. Okay, so what does this mean, right? Okay, so create a data source from view, and then okay, so you go to the form. Okay, this is our form. Okay, let's say I want to amend the first form. You click this one, and then you click the data source. Okay, and then right, you can tick this one, use custom row template. Click here. So this is a standard template. So for, let's say we want to show you. Okay, this one is first form. So this first form. Okay, so this is a standard template. But now I want to change. Okay, let's say I want to change something. This first copy standard template. Okay, how to change that template? Change. Okay, standard template. Now insert this tab to the right. Set the form. Take the custom display. What you want to do? Okay, we put some decorator. What is showing there? Okay lah. Submit. Refresh. Nothing action. Okay. Now become one record. First one. Total source. Okay. Maybe we do some customize. Okay. We do like okay. So this one you do some customize your own row. Okay, click set. So you have two rows. Remark. Don't have remark. Okay, let me check. Your remark data row. Your remark, you need to untick remark. Tick remark. You set it. Refresh. Oh, because remark have no data, so you can do like limit, let's say no data limit. We click one. Okay, we go to the first form. Now you can see limit. So okay, this one is a one, right? You can do like this one. Okay, so you want to do some special thing. Special thing. Okay, so we can do like these two column. You don't want to do like that. You want to make some special thing. So you can put here. Like here the one, and then here like this one. We want this one. So you can do like. Then you put limit, quoted limit, and then maybe just now we put the amount to money key. Okay, money. Put like something like, and then we buy something, blah, 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 and then we put some okay, so we just copy the link. Okay. Okay, and then we put Google. We put the Google. Thing lah. So you put PR, this one. Okay, so now let's try. So you like this one. It's up to you to control lah. You want to make a special row instead of standard one TR, TD, TD, RTR. You can do like this one. This is customized lah. So when you click this one, it will go to Google. Okay. Any question?
Can we customize header?
Header.
Customize header.
This one header.
Like that.
This one. Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
Can I customize it?
You want to customize color or what? Or the title?
The title.
Title. Okay, title you can customize. Okay. So this one, right? You can put up.
It's like if I like customize the row to like the one row and I need header only one.
This one?
Okay.
Like this one? Is it what you want? You can customize.
I think they have problem in the data.
Huh? What?
Maybe not in the row. If you don't set the caption, the data in the row is not show.
Caption in the row not show. Which one?
And you can see in the app.
The app. Okay.
You can refresh.
Refresh.
Yeah. See the data, right?
Oh, T data. Oh, T data is not show. Okay, hold on. T data. T data not show. Okay, data limit. Limit not show. Because of we specify this one. Let me confirm. Okay. Oh, okay. So you need to put this one, right? Yeah, this one you need to put. So, okay. If you don't put this one title, then you cannot see.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You can change the name. You can change the name, but you cannot remove. You you can change the name. Okay, refresh it. Okay, let's say I change one. Change 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3.
We only can change the name, right?
You can change the name. 1, 2, 3. You can see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So you can change the name, but you cannot remove. You cannot remove. So okay.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
So this one I think finished already. Okay, I think after next section we will cover the another day 2. The one okay this one okay, please download this one. Have you received this one? So this one, right?
Day 2?
They have another training. Okay, day 2. Download this one.
Yeah.
So this one I try to finish. This one also got 52 page. Okay. So any question? Okay, before we go for lunch. Okay.
We have one question. I don't know.
Okay.
We already went to it. Say about the mobile app.
Okay.
Yeah. Can we use the mobile app?
Yes, can. Okay, they have a 2 set of mobile. One is using the responsive. You can go to Google Store, Google Play Store, Google Play Store. Moji5 let me my phone. Wait, what? Let me take my phone. Where is my phone? So that whole with me. Is my phone? Where is? No. You. Moji Okay, I will give you. You can search for the Bellevue Star or something Moji app.
Bellevue Star.
Moji
app.
Okay.
I think I found Moji app.
You can find
Moji app.
Maybe you screenshot. My phone is not my side now. I need to search. It's something you have a star. You okay? You can try to install. Then I can search for you. You can download and play.
But we have to configure.
Have you installed? Can you fire up the Moji?
Yeah. The
Maybe,
icon is the blue and the white star.
maybe you screenshot. Let me check. Is it correct or not? I can't find inside here.
Let me see.
I can't find. Why cannot search? Moji, nothing. Sugar Crush. Crush.
Can I send you?
Cannot. Don't know what. Cannot search. Office. No more. Cannot search. Oh, okay. I use other account. Google Play Store. Moji. Okay. No few star. Moji.
Is this one? I give you in the chat. No, in the team, in team.
Where? Inside the team. This one. Yes, correct. It's this one. Yeah, Moji. You can download and play. After you download, right, you need to give me your URL. You need to enter the company name. Okay, so you try using ABC. Your company, okay. You can use ABC. They will redirect. Okay, redirect to Moji.
It's like we cannot do in
Your own one.
Can I do by myself, or I only have to like give you?
Huh? Okay, after you install, okay,
Sorry.
you need to enter company name, right? Company name.
Yeah. App
Okay.
name.
Okay, you need to give me, okay, where you want to link. Do you have your own Moji5?
Just let's try your Moji5 and give you the name and give me the name.
Okay, you can try ABC. ABC. Just enter ABC.
Yeah, ABC.
So they will redirect to this one. Emoji, okay. They will redirect to this page, this form. This one. They will go to this form. You will go to this form. You will go to this form.
I got this one. Let me send you in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
So I already send you in the WhatsApp.
Enter your phone or not.
I connect
Either your mobile
already.
is not enabled to a server. Huh? You need to have you enabled the Wi-Fi? No,
Yeah, already.
Internet. No internet.
So I already connect on internet because I already send you the WhatsApp, right?
Yeah. ABC. To check first this one. Okay.
Is it correct in the app?
Yeah, correct. ABC. Okay, check again.
No. Same error.
Okay. Let me let me check my phone. Okay. So okay, let me check A B C. Moji.
I can send you the link.
See. Let me try my side.
When I use the Apple iPhone, iOS, I don't know the app is the same or not.
Okay.
Anyone try? พี่โดมใช้ iPhone ป่ะครับ
Yeah. You can have a ABC อ่ะcorrect
ใช่ค่ะ แต่เขาให้ทำอะไรอะค่ะ ไม่ได้ฟัง
โหลดแอป Moji แล้วก็ลอง
โหลด
ใส่
มาแล้ว
ABC ดู
ใส่ ABC เหรอ
ใช่ใช่
แล้วก็เซฟเหรอ
ใช่ใช่ ABC จะเซฟ
Yeah, I think they have some problem.
ฮะ
ขึ้นเออร์เลอร์เหมือนของเธอเลย
the so then the Android is also
Yeah.
the same.
Okay, I think our one of the server
Down.
has disconnected down lah. Okay, I will check later on. So basically, you can install this one, or we will can do another one app for you. Not one lah. We can do another third party app. Like for example, okay, we have another for client side.
This one.
Moji. Star. Star. Where? No. For Android app. No. Cannot. Okay. Let me check lah. This one later I will let you know lah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one I think is not working. Not working. The web service style. So you cannot get the link. Okay. Any other question? If not, right, we will break. Okay, I think 1:30 lah. We come back again. So we will do for another training day 2. Okay, we 1:30 Okay.
1:30. In your time, right?
Now it's 12:30 Okay. So 1:30 Okay
Yeah. 1 hour.
Yeah, okay.
Okay lah. Thank you. Okay. We will meet it at 1:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
บ๊ายบาย
Bye.
เกิดอะไรขึ้นกับโทรศัพท์เหรอ เฮ้ยไม่ได้ฟังเลยอ่ะบอลทำไมเขาให้ใส่ ABC อ่ะบอล
แอปมือถือ
ทำไมเขาให้ใส่ ABC
แอปมื
อ่ะ
อถือเฉยเขาบอกว่าถ้าเกิดเราจะเพิ่มแอปอะต้องบอก URL เขาจะต้องไปเพิ่มในเซิร์ฟเวอร์ของมือถือให้
อ๋อ แล้วเมื่อกี้เขาเพิ่ม ABC ไปแล้ว แต่ว่ามัน connect ไม่ได้ใช่ไหมไอ้ชื่อแอปเขาอ่ะ
ใช่มันบอกว่าเซิร์ฟเวอร์ของแอปมันน่าจะดาวน์
อ๋อ
ผมลอง Android แล้ว
เดี๋ยว
พี่
มัน มุน
แล้
ติ้
ว
ว
อ
เล
ย่าง
ย
นี้ตอนของเราอะพี่
อย่างนี้ตอนของเราอะถ้าสมมติว่าเราฝึกแล้วอะแล้วเราจะให้ลูกค้าดูอะถ้าคือสมมติว่าเราทำฝึกแล้วใช่ไหมแล้วเราได้ชื่อแอปไปแล้วอะเราบอกชื่อแอปเขาไปบอกเฉพาะของเราอะ
คือถ้ามันจะ
แต่อันนี้
ทำเป็นแอปแบบเนี้ย มันต้องเป็น Public นะพี่บอกไว้ก่อน เพราะว่ามันต้องเป็น Public แบบออนไลน์อ่ะ แล้วก็ต้อง
แต่
ส่ง URL ไปให้กับทางมันอ่ะ เสร็จแล้วก็ให้มันทำชื่อ
มันจะไม่
ก็จะเป็น
ไม่ได้อยู่ในฝั่งของเราใช่ปะ
ใช่
อ๋อต้องทำ IP เป็น Public เหรอ
เพราะมันไม่ใช่แอปเราอยู่แล้ว
ก็คือเราใช้เซิร์ฟเวอร์ฝั่งของเขา ถ้ามันอยู่ในแอป
งั้นตอนไอตอนจะโชว์แอปให้ลูกค้าดูว่ามันใช้ได้อ่ะ ก็เราก็ทำแอปสักตัวหนึ่งในเซิร์ฟเวอร์เขาละกันไอที่เขาให้เราเดโมอ่ะให้เราไว้ทำเดโมของเขาอ่ะแล้วเราก็ส่งลิงก์อันนั้นให้เขาให้เขาใส่ให้เราทีละตอนที่เราไอ้นี่ลูกค้าเราก็ใช้อันนั้นแหละแต่ว่าเราก็บอกลูกค้าไปว่าวิธีการทำมาต้องทำยังไงถ้าเกิดลูกค้าเขาจะทำอ่ะก็คือให้ทำแบบนี้ก็คือส่ง URL มาแต่ว่ามันเป็น Public อะไรอย่างเงี้ยก็แจ้งเขาไปให้เขารู้ว่ามันทำได้แค่นั้นแหละเพราะมันไม่ได้มีอะไรซับซ้อนใช่ไหมล่ะถ้าทำแค่เนี้ย
คือปกติแล้วมันไม่แน่ใจหรอกเพราะว่าบางที่อ่ะเขาก็ไม่ได้ใช้เป็น Public เนาะเขาเป็น internal อ่ะเพราะฉะนั้นถ้าเป็น internal มันก็ใช้ไม่ได้ เราโชว์เป็น responsive น่าจะดีกว่า ก็คือเอามือถือหรืออะไรก็ได้เข้าเว็บเลยอ่ะ
เข้า URL ของบริษัทเขาเลยอย่างเงี้ยหรอถ้าเกิดมือถือเขา connect ได้ใช่ไหม
ก็คือไม่ได้ใช้แอปของเขาแต่ว่า
ตัวเว็บมันเป็น responsive อยู่แล้ว
แต่ว่ามือถือของลูกค้าเขาก็ต้องต่อเป็นอินเทอร์เน็ตของบริษัทเขาก็คือต้องเข้าของบริษัทเขาได้อยู่แล้วถูกปะล่ะ
ใช่
ก็มันเป็น internal อยู่แล้ว
ก็เดี๋ยวแนะนำลูกค้าไปก็ได้ว่ามี2 เวย์ถ้ามันมีแบบถ้าเขา internal เขาก็ต้องใช้แบบนั้นแหละแต่ถ้าเขาจะใช้ public อะวิธีการทำก็คือต้องทำแบบนี้อะไรอย่างเงี้ยเราก็ทำสักแอปหนึ่งแบบโชว์เขาสักแอปหนึ่งอะไรอย่างเงี้ยที่มันมีหรือของมันก็ได้ถ้ามันบิวมาแล้วก็โชว์ลูกค้าแอปนั้นก็ได้ว่ามันทำได้อะไรอย่างเงี้ย
แล้วนะ
แต่มันกดเข้าไม่ได้อยู่ใช่ไหมเดี๋ยวไปแก้ให้ใช่ไหมเดี๋ยวเราก็โชว์แอปมันก็ได้ถ้างั้นนะถ้ามัน connect ได้แล้วอะ
เพราะมันดูจากเว็บมันน่ะตัวเว็บมันก็ responsive ใช้บน iPad iPhone ได้อยู่แล้วนะแค่เข้า URL เฉยๆมันเป็น in case เดียวกัน เพราะว่ามันจะได้ไม่ต้องติดต่อ third party ด้วยว่าถ้าเขาอยากใช้แอปจริงๆอ่ะโอเคได้ลองได้แต่ว่าตอนนี้เรายัง approve ไม่ได้อ่ะเพราะว่ามันยังไม่ได้เทสอ่ะถ้าจะเอาชัวร์ตอนเนี้ยก็เข้า responsive ใช้มือถือเข้า URL เลยผ่านเบราว์เซอร์อะไรก็ได้
ได้แต่ประเด็นคืออย่าให้มันแก้จนแบบคือเราต้องแบบรู้ว่ามันทำได้อะรู้ว่ามันทำได้เพราะว่า
ถ้าเกิดจะเทรนลูกค้าก็เทรนแค่ responsive ไปก่อน
ได้แต่ว่าแค่พี่ก็บอกว่าแค่บอกลูกค้าว่าวิธีการทำอ่ะเข้ามือถือมันทำแบบนี้ทำเน็ตใส่ในแอปอ่ะถ้าจะใช้แอปอะไรอย่างเงี้ยมันใช้ได้ตามวิธีการทำอะไรอย่างเงี้ยคือแบบนี้แล้วก็ให้เขาดูว่าเขาแบบอยากได้เวไหน
แบบไม่ค่อยอยากได้เวแอปเท่าไหร่อ่ะมันวุ่นวาย
ลูกค้าเขาก็อาจจะไม่ได้อยากได้เวแอปหรอกเพราะว่าเป็น internal เหมือนกันแต่ว่าที่แค่แบบอยากจะสื่อให้ลูกค้าเข้าใจว่าคือเขาก็คือมันก็มีแอปรองรับอะไรอย่างเงี้ยถ้าเขาอยากจะทำถ้าเขาไม่อยากจะมีอะไรเงี้ย
นี่อยากจะบอกเขาก็ได้แล้วแต่หนึ่งมันบอกไม่บอกอ่ะบอกก็พูดแค่เรื่อง responsive อ่ะส่วนถ้าเขาถามค่อยว่ากัน
เขาถามอยู่แล้วแกเพราะฉันเคยไปตอนขายใช่ในเอกสารมันมีเขาก็ถามพี่ก็เลยบอกไงว่าอย่างน้อยเราก็ต้องแบบเปิดให้ดูหน่อยแหละว่ามันทำได้จริงไม่งั้นเดี๋ยวจะมีประเด็น
บอกเขาไปได้ถึงตอนนั้นแล้วมันยังแก้ไม่ได้นะ
แล้วตอนนั้นยังแก้ไม่ได้ก็คือบอกปากเปล่านะไม่มีรูปโชว์ไม่มีอะไรโชว์ไปกินข้าวกันก่อนเถอะเดี๋ยวมาอีกทีตอนเที่ยงครึ่งเนาะ ออกไปก่อนก็ได้นะหรือใครอยากอยู่ก็ได้